For a flexible member, the equation connecting the bending moment and deflection is m is equal to ei d square y by dx square. Option B. Polar moment of inner shaft of a solid circular shaft of diameter d is equal to answer pi d power 4 by 32. Next, a cantilever beam of AB of span L fixed at A and free at B, subjected to concentrated load of W at the free end. The slope of the point A is equal to W answer WL square by 2EI. Deflection is equal to WL square by 3I. Slope means WL square by 2EI. Euler's formula for buckling load is valid for long column only. Long column fails by buckling. Short column fails by crushing. Long column buckling, short column crushing. The Young's modulus is equal to shear modulus for a material whose Poisson ratio is equal to here Young's modulus E is equal to shear modulus G. E is equal to G. Poisson ratio mu is equal to how much? We know relation E is equal to 2G of 1 plus mu. Here E is equal to G. E is equal to 2E. E is equal to 2E into 1 plus mu. Mu is equal to E by 2E. E cancel is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Mu is equal to 0.5. D answer. For maximum number of reaction of a component at a hinged support is hinged support 2, fixed 3, roller 1, hinged means 2. A 10 mm diameter is subjected to shear force of 31.4 Newton. The maximum shear stress produced in a cross section. Here diameter means circle. Here shear stress for the circle 4 solution. Dia is equal to 10 mm. Here dia means circular in shape. Formula for the shear stress 4 by 3 into force by area for circular. 4 by 3 into force by area for circular. For rectangle 3 by 2 into force by area for rectangle. Here we ask here question is asked for 10 mm bar, diameter bar 10 mm, dia means circular, 4 by 3 into F by area. Answer formula 4 by 3 into force is equal to 31.4 into area pi into d square by 4 4 by 3 into 31.4 by y is equal to 3.14 into 10 square by 4. Now 4 by 3 into 31.4 by 1 into 4 by 31.4 into 10. Here 31.4 for 4 ja 16 by 30 means 8 by 15. Answer 8/15 MPa. Next, with reference to the stress strain behavior of a mild steel. With reference to stress strain behavior of a mild steel means elongation of the bar or anything. The stress at breaking isolation, the stress at breaking is less than at ultimate. The above statement refers to normal stress but not true stress. Let's see. This is true stress. This is engineering stress. Here, with reference to the stress strain behavior of a machine, the stress at breaking is less than the ultimate. This is ultimate, this is breaking. Engineering stress is a true stress. True stress is above the breaking point. The ultimate stress is below the ultimate stress. Means both, or let's say option.